Good morning, friends. So today again I came in front of all of you as usual. Today I brought a new story that is based on a mouse. What is the capability of this story? What is the capability of this mouse as well? I am going to narrate it and hope that you will understand the ethic of this story. Once upon a time, in a village, a rocky name family members of mouse was used to living in that. Rocky was senior. Rocky was healthier because he always used to lot of food. He was very stomach. His one time food was one side, and all other four family members food was one side. So you can understand, you can estimate the quantity of fooding of this Rocky. It was the sad thing. It was very big problematic thing for that Rocky family because always he used to eat food and always go for the sleep. In spite of this, instead of this, he never ever did any work. He never ever accumulated grain for the family member. So this reason they were very upset. They got upset one day when he was going to eat food. At that moment, the friend of Rocky came over there and said, "Oh my dear Rocky, what are you doing? Tomorrow is my birthday and hope that you will not deny it. You will present in that birthday celebration." Then that Rocky said, "Yes, I will come in that birthday celebration because that is not your birthday, that is my birthday, because we are very closer friends. So this reason I will present there, it is sure and certain." According to this sentence, the Rocky next morning reached there, and when the birthday celebration was about to start, when the aroma, when the fragrance of the delicious cake was coming, and he cannot keep control on self, he bent where the cake was kept and he started to eating to that, and he finished all that cake because he was very stomach. He finished to that, and when the his friend saw to that cake, then realized that it was the game of this Rocky. Then the friend of Rocky abused to this Rocky, lot of insulted given to the Rocky, lot of offended to Rocky. It happened there for lot of time, and then he said, "Go from here, otherwise I will die here because I had purchased for the distribution in all the family member, in all the relatives, and you have eaten to all that delicious cake." It was the sentence of Rocky friend. Then offended, insulted Rocky reached his home because he had did lot of mistakes. So this reason, absolutely, it was very big, very mistake for that Rocky. And when he was about to thinking about the problem, about the mistake, at that time once friend of that Rocky again came over there and said, "Why are you sad? Why are you puzzled? It's happened. It's activity. It's a natural thing of our life. Why are you puzzled? It happens, so don't think about it. Let it be so. From now on, we will go for the farm for the eating food, for the eating grain, because nowadays in the farm lot of grain is growing. We will take enjoy of that. We will take fun of that sweet grain." It was the sentence of that Rocky friend, that another friend of Rocky chanted by friend and heard to that and thought that this is good idea. Nowadays the form of farmer is growing, so crop will be so sweet. We will take enjoy of that every morning and every evening. It will be my routine. So he started according to this, and next morning again he reached in the form of farmer and started eating to grain, and he continuously eating eating grain, eating grain. And when his friend said, "Stop it, dear, tomorrow again I will come, tomorrow again I will eat it," then that Rocky said, "Don't interrupt me, don't stop me, I will eat it. I am very stomach, I have not quenched my hungerness still, so why are you interrupting me? Don't interrupt me until I will not quench my hungerness. I will not go for home." Listening to this thing, friend of Rocky went to home, and the Rocky was alone in the farm. Then a cat came over there, and the cat saw to this mouse and thought that this is very good, this is very sweet flesh of this mouse. I eat it anyhow because this is eating very sweet crop, so flesh the of this mouse will be very sweet, very delicious, anyhow I will eat. Then that mouse started going from there, but he was so healthier, he was so swelled stomach, he had so eaten food, that's why he was running in gradually, slowly he was running, and somehow he managed and reached in hut. When he was about to enter in the hole, at that moment he stuck in that hole, and somehow when the inside mouse pulling inside to that mouse, at that time this cat was pulling far outside through catching that tail of this mouse. It happened for 1 and 2 hours there, and in this time the tail of this mouse uprooted from his body. It was uprooted, it was come outside from his body, and somehow he entered inside hole after lot of struggle, after lot of hard work. So it was the reason of extra greedy. Don't be extra greedy according to your need, because your need took you in the way of unsuccess, took you in the way of fear, took you in the way of where dangerous, where the problematic thing arised. It happened with that mouse Rocky as well, but somehow all the family members inserted in that hole, but he left his tail outside because the cat was pulling to the tail of this Rocky mouse. That's why it happened with that Rocky mouse. So if you are extra greedy, if you are thinking to eat more food, then you will be healthier, and you cannot grow up, you cannot even move from one place to another place. It happened with that Rocky. So this season, hope that you will try to understand, you will eat only to that thing which will be sufficient for your life surviving. Don't be greedy as you think, because that will be so dangerous as happened with this Rocky. Hope that you will try to understand that thing. Tomorrow again I will meet you. Till then, bye bye.